Right, these are instructions on how to install a signature into your Apple Mail. So the first step is I want you to find the email I sent to you called Long Signature. And the email should look something like this. What I need you to do is move your cursor below this dotted line and above this one dot. And what we're going to do is we're going to click, and we're going to drag up, and as you can see, we are highlighting the signature. With it highlighted, we're going to go up here to Edit, and we're going to go down to Copy. And now we're going to go up to the word Mail in the top left corner. We're going to go down to Preferences. And in here, this is what probably will come up on your screen. What I need you to do is jump over to Signatures. It's just one of those tabs. And we're going to create a new signature. And how we do that is this middle column, we're going to click on the plus sign. And we're going to call this one Ausman. Now, what I'm going to call it is Ausman L for long. Now, you can call it wherever you want. You can call it Long Signature. You can call it Ausman. You can call it Long. You can call it Ausman L. Name it whatever you want it to name. Now, with this created, by default, it's going to have your name and email address over here on the right side. I want you to get rid of that. So I'm going to highlight that and hit Delete on my keyboard, and that's gone. Now, we copied this signature, this long signature, so I'm going to go up here to Edit, and we're going to say Paste. And as you can see, it pastes it in. Now, you will see these little question marks appear for the graphics. That is normal. Don't worry about it. Just let it be. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is where the signature you created, I need you to drag that signature over to the left side over here and drag it right on top of your email account. And what that's going to do is going to allow that signature to be a choice for that account. Now, my account is called iCloud. I have 4 signatures in here. If I click on that, it shows you the 4 that I have. When I go to compose a brand new email, I want this signature, the one that I'm creating just now, I want this signature to be the default signature, as in it automatically is in there, ready to go. How I make that happen is I highlight the account that I want, and down here it says Choose Signature. If I change that to Ausman L as my example, that means when I hit Compose Message, this signature will already be in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to close the preference window here, and we're going to go up here and we're going to hit the Compose Mail button in Apple Mail. And as you can see here, it added that signature. And we're done. Now, if by chance you added this signature and it looks a little bit off, let me know and I have some instructions on fixing it. But for now, I think we're good. So we're going to close this window and we're going to go to the short signature. Now when we click on the short signature, it looks very similar, it's just a different design. Instead of being long, it's going to be more tall. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to move our cursor right between this dot and basically the Twitter sign, and we're going to drag up and we're going to drag everything in between, including that top bar, and we're going to say Edit, Copy, go over to Mail, go to Preferences, and we're going to create a new signature in here, and we're going to hit the plus sign, and we'll call this Ausman S for short. You can call it Ausman Short. But there's our Ausman S. Over here I get rid of what's in there, and I say Edit, Paste, and it just pasted in that signature. Again, question marks, no problem. Now we want to do the Ausman S, dragged it over to the left side. Now if you like this signature more than the other, what you can do is you can change the default signature to be the Ausman S. Now I'm going to leave it the Ausman L because I want to show you how this works. So we close this. Now, if I go to Compose New Message, the Ausman L is what shows up here. However, if I want to make this a short signature, at any time I can change that right here. I can make that Ausman S, and it changes to the Ausman S. I want to show you what this looks like when it comes in. I'm going to send this to myself. And just came in right here, signature example. And as you can see down here, this is what the signature looks like inside of the email. Now what's neat about this is the name is a clickable link. So if I click on Jason, it automatically creates a new email that's directed to Jason. So if you send this to a client, they'll be able to do that. If you click on the logo, it automatically takes you to your web page. If you click on Twitter, automatically takes you to Twitter's page for your law firm. Same thing with LinkedIn and same thing with Facebook. It's pretty neat. Now if you're on a phone and you're viewing this, you'll be able to click on this phone number, and as you can see here when I clicked on it, it's actually trying to use FaceTime to call. So that's a live link as well. Same thing with the email address right there. So it's kind of a neat signature that has the live links, plus it's consistent and a nice design. Well, that's how you install it. Please email me back if you have any questions, or if these instructions show you one way and on your computer it's just not working out, let me know and we'll be able to fix it. All right, thanks.